Good morning students, standard 5. Welcome to my class children. Children, today I am going to deal with worksheet number 6, word problem. Okay, so word problem, what is a word problem children? Word problems are the problems which are written in the form of the stories. Okay, now let us start with the question number A. Raju got rupees 60 as pocket money from his father. He spent rupees 16.50 on ice cream. How much money is left with him? Raju got rupees 60 as pocket money from his father. He spent rupees 16.50 on ice cream. How much money is left with him? So here there are some punchlines, student. So here in this question, so the punchline is, so let us solve it with the help of 4 square method. First point is keywords. So keywords are here that the how much Raju got rupees 60 as a pocket money from his father. He spent rupees 16.50 on ice cream. So how much money is left? The word left is a punchline. It means it is subtraction. Right? Now planning. What planning you will do? So this is pocket money of Raju's. He got how much? Rupees 60. And with this money he spent from rupees 60 he spent rupees 16.50 on ice cream. He spent on ice cream rupees 16.50. Now question is the amount that money is left with him. Left. Money that is left with him. Okay? What? So let us then after planning solve the question. So here total amount of money that is has pocket money rupees 60 Raju's. It is rupees 60. Right? 60.00. And what is the amount that is spent on ice cream? It is rupees 16.50. So money left, put the minus sign, and then after the difference will be is the difference, but whatever you will get is the money left, the amount of the money that is left with him. So let us solve it. Now firstly the total amount of pocket money is equals what? Rupees 60.00. Right? So amount of money spent on ice cream. Okay, that is, this is ice cream. Amount of money spent on ice cream, that is rupees 16.50. Now question is amount of money left. Amount of money left with Raju. That's what you will have to do. Subtract 60.00 with the amount of this 16.50. Okay, so we will do the subtraction. So here we will arrange these numbers in column. So here let us firstly arrange rupees 60 and then the amount that is spent on ice cream 16.50. Now we will do this, how much amount is left with him, put the subtraction sign. Now start the subtraction from the right hand side. So 0 minus 0, 0. So you forget this decimal point. Just think that it is a whole number 60001650. So this 0 will become what? So it will become 10. All of you firstly look here. When there is a no other digit, only zeros are there adjacent. So 10, firstly this will be 10, it will become 5. This become, from this I have borrowed, here it becomes 10. Now 10 minus 5 is 5, and then 9 minus 6 is 3, and 5 minus 1 is 4. So put the decimal, will follow one after another. So here, so amount is 43.50. So this is the amount of the money that is left with Raju. This is the answer. Now come to question number 2. So in question number B, Mrs. Renu bought 2.750 liters of milk. She used 1.5 liters milk for making curd. Find the quantity of milk left. Mrs. Renu bought 2.750 liters of milk. She used 1.5 liters milk for making curds. Find the quantity of money left. Here again the punch line is left. So children, firstly try to understand the problem. So here Mrs. Renu. This is a story of Mrs. Renu. So let us explain it with the help of 4 square method. First is keyword, understanding keywords. Here the story is Mrs. Renu bought 2.750 liters of milk. She used 1.5 liters milk for making curd. Find the quantity of milk left. So this left is the punch line. Whenever it is left, remaining, the difference, we use minus sign. This is called subtraction sign. Now second point is planning. What we will do? In order to find out the left amount, left quantity of milk. So it is the milk that Mrs. Renu bought. So what is the quantity? 2.750 liters of milk bought by Mrs. Renu. Now she used this milk to make 1.5 liter of curds. Okay, from this milk she used to make 1.5 liter of milk to make the curd. She used 1.5 liter of milk for making curd. So question is find the. So here question is you have to find out the quantity of milk that is left with Mrs. Renu. So third point is you have to solve it. So total quantity of milk 2.750 liter, and the quantity of milk that is used to make the curd, that is minus 1.500 liter. So here you have to subtract from it. We will do the subtraction. So whatever we get, the difference is the quantity of milk that is left with Mrs. Renu. Now let us solve it. Quantity of milk bought, that is equal to what? 2.750 liters, right? And quantity of milk used, quantity of milk used to make curd is equal to what? It is 1.5 liters. So you have to find out quantity of milk left with Mrs. Renu, that is equal to what? So what we will have to do, we have to subtract the quantity of milk used to make curd from the quantity of milk bought by Mrs. Renu. So let us arrange these two quantity in column. So these two quantities are arranged in columns so that you will be able to do the subtraction. So the quantity of milk that she has with her 2.750, and the quantity of milk that is used to prepare curd is 1.500. Then quantity of milk is left. So what we have to do? Subtraction. Now here forget the decimal. This is a decimal number, but forget about the decimal. Just think about this. It is a whole number. So start from the right hand side. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now here decimal point will follow one after other. So here unit is liter, liter, liter. So 1.250 liters of milk left with whom? With Mrs. Renu. Now let us come to another question. Now question number C. Rahul weighs 52.525 kilogram. Rahul weighs 52.525 kilogram. His brother weighs 4.5 kilogram less than Rahul. Less than Rahul. Children, here word less than is used. Find the weight of his brother. Rahul weighs 52.525 kilogram. His brother weighs 4.5 kilogram less than Rahul. Find the weight of his brother. So firstly understand the story. So here let us explain it with the help of 4 square method. So in this, what is the keyword here used? Rahul weighs 52.525 kilogram. His brother weighs 4.5 kilogram less than. This is the keyword. Less than. Less than means then you have to understand that you have to do subtraction because you have to find the weight of his brother. The weight of his brother is less than 4.5 kilogram less than Rahul. So here the punch line is less than. Now let us do second planning. Planning is we will draw the picture. So here for example this is Rahul. So what is the weight of Rahul? 52.525 kilogram. And his brother. So his weight is 4.5 less than. 4.5 less than means minus 4.5 kilogram. Of whom? Of the brother Rahul. This is Rahul and his brother. Of Rahul. So what we will have to third step is solve. What we will do? We have to find out the weight of Rahul's brother. So firstly take the weight of Rahul and then his brother's weight is less than 4.5 less than that of the weight of this Rahul, his brother. So it will be 4.500 and less than means we have to do subtraction. This is the picture that you have to draw in order to understand this story. So now let us write down the statements. So the weight of Rahul is equals 52.525 kilogram and the weight of his brother, weight of Rahul's brother is 4.5 less than 4.5 kilogram less than the weight of Rahul, that is 52.525 kilogram. So less than means we have to do subtraction. That is equal to 52.525 kilogram minus 4.5 kilogram. So now let us arrange these numbers in column. So here, what is the weight of Rahul? 52.525. And what is the weight? 4 less than. 4.5 less than. So we will do subtraction. Now let us start. 5, after 5 we have to convert them into like decimals. So we will insert 0 to the right side of this decimal number. So now these two are like decimals. Now let us do subtraction. So 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 5 minus 5, 0. Now here 2 minus 4, this 2 will become 12 and 5 will become 4. 12 minus 4 is 8 and then it is 4. So what is the weight of his Rahul's brother? It is the weight of Rahul's brother is 48.025 kilogram. So this is the answer. Now children, next question. Next question is question number D. Amit travelled a distance of 15.55 kilometer. If he travelled 12.400 kilometer by bus and the rest by scooter, find the distance covered by scooter. Amit travelled a distance of 15.55 kilometer. If he travelled 12.400 kilometer by bus and the rest by scooter, find the distance covered by scooter. So in this story, you have to firstly understand this problem story. So let us make the 4 square. Firstly, we make the 4 square in order to understand this story. This is question number D. First is point is keywords. What is the keywords here? The keyword is Amit travelled a distance of 15.55 kilometer. If he travelled 12.400 kilometer by bus and the rest by scooter, find the distance covered by scooter. So here the keyword is distance covered by scooter. Distance covered by scooter. So here in order to find out distance covered by scooter, then you have to do subtraction. So planning, what planning you will do? Firstly, the total distance that is travelled, distance covered by Rahul Amit is 15.55 kilometer. So he travelled a distance of 15.55 kilometer and he travelled half of the distance by bus and then half of the distance by scooter. So here in the question, the distance covered by bus is given. What is the distance covered by bus? 12.400 kilometer. So here distance covered by scooter is what? So here what we will have to do? Solve. We will have to subtract 15.55 kilometer with 12.400 kilometer. What we will do? We will do the simple subtraction. Correct? Now let us start to write down the statement. So total distance is equal to what? 15.55 kilometer. And distance covered by bus, distance travelled by bus, it is equal to what? 12.400 kilometer. So you have to find out distance covered by, not travel, distance covered. So you have to find out distance covered by scooter is equal to what? So what you will do, you have to subtract 12.400 from 15.55 kilometer, right? So let us write down these two numbers into the column. Firstly, we have to convert these two numbers. These decimals are not like decimals, so we have to convert them into like decimals, and then we will arrange these numbers in a column. So here all of you see that just 15.55 is the total distance covered, and the distance travelled by the bus is 12.400. So here, after we have to convert these two decimals are not like decimals, so we have to make this one like decimals by putting 0 to the right side of the 5. So we have to find the distance covered by scooter. So we will do subtraction. Now let us do subtraction. 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 5 minus 4 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now here decimal numbers will follow one after the another. So the distance, it is kilometer, and it is kilometer, and it is kilometer. So distance covered by the scooter is 3.150 kilometer. Okay. So distance covered by scooter is 3.150 kilometer. So children, last question, question number E, it is also subtraction. So you will do it by yourself. So children, today's assignment is, your classwork is, you have to do A, B and C, and H work is you have to do D and E. So children, hope you have enjoyed my class. So if you have any kind of problem, you may contact me in WhatsApp number. So bye bye children, have a nice day. Till then.